Hello friends, welcome to my channel Chicky Brain. So friends, today's videos is about creating timers. Timer have variety of purposes. Say example, if you are creating a quiz and if you want to give some time to solve each question, we need timer. Though variety of downloadable timer options available, we have created our personalized timer. We feel good. You would have seen a lot of timer creating videos, but I'm telling you, this video is really having the simplest way of creating timer using PowerPoint with easy 3 steps. We are going to format the background with the picture. So this is the base for the timer. We are going to animate the numbers that we are displaying in the timer. After creating the timer, designing the timer, we are going to create a beautiful video. So let's begin. The first step is we are going to format your background with a picture. For that, select the file menu. In that, select blank presentation. Ignore the title bars of the slide. Just remove it. Right click the slide. Select format background. In format background option, select the picture. You can choose any of the background picture from your file. That's it. The first step is done. The second step is we are going to animate the numbers that we are going to use in the timer. Go to the Insert tab, select text box to enter the number for the timer. So example, if I'm making 5-second timer, I need to insert 5 numbers per slide. You can go to the Home tab and you can fix the size as well as position of your timer number. Now we have to animate the same number. Go to Animation tab and select the animation model. I'm choosing zooming model. So this is the preview. Also I want to add some audio sound effect. So go to Audio tab and you can choose any MP3 from your file. I want to hide the speaker icon while playing the slide. So choose the playback and choose the hide during show, as well as I'm making it automatically so that whenever the number is emerging, the sound will come automatically. Also go to Animation pan, choose the audio and make it start with previous so that it will play along with the number. That's it. The animation part is done. Now what we have to do is we have to copy the slides using the duplicate slide option. Say example, if I'm having 5 seconds timer, I need 4 more slides with different numbers. Either you can use duplicate option or you can choose the copy with source formatting for copying the slides. Once we have done with the copying, we have to change only the numbers. Since we are duplicating, the animations will remain the same. So only changing the number is enough. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So the end of the slide is for indicating that the time is over. So I'm going to make this as time out so that the viewer came to know, okay, the time is over. The 5 seconds is over. You can resize the timer. For this also, the animation will remain the same. So I just want to change the sound effect for the last slide. Since I'm using beep sound for the numbers, I just want to change the sound effect for this time up slide. So for that we have to change the sound effect. Go to the Insert menu, select the audio select any one audio from my PC different from the beep sound. I'm inserting this audio, I'm deleting the previous one. Remember, if you want to give any animation to this, we have to select this audio tab so that this playback option will come, so that we can hide and automatically play it. Also in the animation pan, keep it start with previous. Now let's see in preview how it is working. That's it. Game of mice. We have successfully done 2 steps. Now the third step is we are going to create a video from the PowerPoint. For that, go to File menu, select Export, then make Create Video, create a video. Now you have to remember where you are saving the file and what is the file name you are giving. These are the 2 things you have to remember. Once you click Save, system will automatically creating the MP4 file for your timer. That's it, your timer is created. So once you play the MP4, this is the preview of the video file. Now I will show you how to use the timer in your PowerPoint. Say example, if you are making a science quiz and you want to add some timer for the questions, go to the Insert tab and select the video and choose video from my PC. Select the timer you have designed and insert it into the slide. Resize the timer. Also we have to give some basic settings like go to select the playback and select it automatically and hide while it is not playing, so that whenever the timer is required, that time it will show, the remaining time it will hide. Animate the questions and also make the timer to display start after the previous, so that after the question it will come. So I'm animating all the text as well. So preview the quiz now. After the question, the timer is emerging automatically. You can create 10 sub-quiz questions along with the timer by copying the slide. That's it. Hello friends, hope you like this video. You can create your personalized timer after this. If you need to know more about PowerPoints, please let me know. Mention it in the comment box. I will make a separate video for that. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.